And a big breaking news now coming in with regard to social media policies. News reports are suggesting that the social media giant Facebook plans to end a contentious policy that had been championed by CEO Mark Zuckerberg that exempted politicians earlier from certain moderation rules on its site, which was the company's rationale now is for the policy held that the speech of political leaders is inherently newsworthy and in the public interest, even if it is offensive, bullying or otherwise of a controversial nature. Facebook, however, has declined to comment on this change. Manas Tiwari is joining us live and to give us further details. Manas, tell us the difference right now, because what precisely can be expected from Facebook if they have gone ahead with these possible changes in the moderation as opposed to what it had earlier?
So Facebook, right now, they have certain community standards which apply to all the users in regards to what and what cannot be posted on the platform. But this policy or this exemption, which has been around for the last few years, exempted the politicians from these rules. And it came to light in 2019 when Facebook explained that certain posts from politicians, even though they are offensive in nature or controversial, they would be allowed to stay on the platform because Facebook believes that they could be of interest to the general public or be newsworthy. Now, it is planning to end this exemption, which we are hearing right now is that a new change can be rolled out, which will stop this exemption of the politicians. And there'll be new changes, after which what happens is that if there's a post which Facebook believes has come from a politician and is controversial, there's a chance that that post might be taken down, or the account could be suspended on a temporary basis. And in the worst case scenario, it might be suspended permanently as well. So that is what we are hearing right now. Apart from this, Facebook might also tell us when the users will get a strike on the platform. Right now, there was a lot of secrecy around when a post is not considered correct or right on the platform, or when a user can get a strike for it. But we believe that now there'll be further clarity on it. Also, it might tell us when the politicians or certain politicians were given exemption under this rule. Now, till now, it has maintained. We know that what happened.
So Manas, what you're basically telling us that even the leaders may now be included in those rules. It could be very interesting how their speech will be now put up and how it will be tracked by the Facebook. We'll have more details on that very soon. Manas Tiwari with all the latest on this big news. Now, internal dissent